All right, so I just got fired. I got fired for refusing to wear a mask. Yeah, February of 2023, I got fired for refusing to wear a mask. I recently decided that I'm done being an actor in everybody's theater. I'm done playing all of these COVID games that are for nothing more than optics. And yesterday I was at a job site in Pacific Heights and I was instructed by the site foreman to put on a mask. And I asked him, would I not be allowed on the job site if I refused to comply? He immediately got mad and just called my project manager. He didn't even answer my question. I got kicked off the job site and my boss sent me home. On my drive home, my boss's wife, who's the head of HR, calls me and tells me that his verbiage about me being furloughed until Monday was wrong. I'm being sent home with pay. This is a non-fireable offense, they tell me, but we have a meeting tomorrow at 8:30 just to discuss what happened. Well, that was today. I come into the meeting and they, again, tell me this isn't a fireable offense, but I need to be willing to comply with COVID policies. And I explained to them that I do refuse to wear a mask. And they continued to explain how it's no different than putting on foot booties when I go in somebody's house to do work. Clearly, I disagree with that, and I made that clear. But they basically told me that we need to separate if I'm not willing to comply with policies. And I told them that I'm not quitting. And they had a write-up prepared. And they completely thought that I was just going to sign this write-up and we'd go about our business. And they were dumbfounded when I told them that I'm not willing to wear a mask anymore. And they then changed their story, and apparently it is a fireable policy because I have been terminated. I was sent home, my emails turned off. They said they're going to send somebody to pick up the van, company computer, and iPad today. My email has already been turned off. I haven't been given a final check or anything. So this whole thing seems super shady to me. The President of the United States already said COVID is over. How can anybody enforce COVID policies? So, I don't know about you guys, but I 100% feel that I was just fired for sticking up for my basic human rights. Yeah, I know plenty of you guys will laugh at that. Say I'm being soft or a bitch or whatever. I'm willing to lose my fucking job over this shit. Don't tell me I'm being a bitch when you're the one that just puts on a mask when you know it doesn't do shit just because you don't want to have conflict. Fuck you. I'll land on my feet, I always do, but amplified lifestyles. I am going to seek every legal option because I do not feel that what you just did was legal. And that sucks because this company had become like family to me. Best company I ever worked for. Fucking shame. Start putting your foot down, people. Thanks for listening.